Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of aloe vera. From ancient times to modern day, aloe vera has been celebrated for its incredible health benefits. So, get ready to unlock the secrets and discover why aloe vera is a true powerhouse of wellness. Whether you've used aloe vera before or are new to its wonders, this video is packed with valuable information about its numerous benefits. From skin healing and digestive support to immune boosting and beyond, aloe vera offers a wide range of advantages that can enhance your well-being in a natural and holistic way. So let's get started. Aloe vera is well known for its remarkable ability to heal and rejuvenate the skin. Its natural gel is packed with soothing and nourishing properties that can work wonders for various skin conditions. In this video, we're going to dive into the incredible skin healing benefits of aloe vera and explore how this amazing plant can transform your skincare routine. From minor burns and sunburns to cuts, scrapes, and insect bites, aloe vera has been used for centuries to promote healing and relieve skin discomfort. The gel of the aloe vera plant contains a wealth of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants, which contribute to its powerful healing properties. What's more, aloe vera is renowned for its exceptional moisturizing properties when it comes to nourishing and hydrating the skin. Its gel-like substance contains a plethora of beneficial components that work together to provide optimal hydration. Aloe vera gel is primarily composed of water, making it an excellent natural moisturizer. It helps replenish the skin's moisture content, providing deep hydration. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins such as A, C, and E, along with essential minerals like magnesium and zinc. These nutrients contribute to maintaining the skin's moisture balance and promoting overall skin health. Aloe vera contains natural humectants that attract and retain moisture, helping to prevent water loss from the skin. This keeps the skin hydrated and supple. Aloe vera has a lightweight texture that is easily absorbed by the skin, leaving behind no greasy or sticky residue. This makes it suitable for all skin types, including oily and combination skin. Aloe vera promotes the integrity of the skin barrier by strengthening its protective layer. This helps to lock in moisture, enhance skin elasticity, and prevent moisture loss. Remember, consistent use of aloe vera as part of your skincare routine can help keep your skin well hydrated, soft, and glowing. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, aloe vera can be a valuable addition to your moisturizing arsenal. Let's check another benefit: acne treatment. Aloe vera is a popular natural remedy for acne due to its soothing and healing properties. Aloe vera contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and redness associated with acne. It can soothe irritated skin and promote a calmer complexion. Aloe vera has natural antibacterial properties that can help combat acne-causing bacteria, reducing the risk of new breakouts. Aloe vera promotes skin healing and repair, which is beneficial for acne-prone skin. It can help fade acne scars and dark spots, giving the skin a more even tone and texture. Despite its acne-fighting properties, aloe vera is gentle and moisturizing. It can help balance oil production, preventing excessive dryness or oiliness that can contribute to acne. Aloe vera gel is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores. This is important for acne-prone skin as it allows the skin to breathe and reduces the likelihood of new breakouts. Aloe vera contains enzymes that provide gentle exfoliation, helping to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. This can prevent the formation of new acne lesions. Did you know aloe vera can aid in the reduction of acne scars by promoting the regeneration of healthy skin cells and minimizing hyperpigmentation? Aloe vera can also be used as a standalone treatment by applying the gel directly to the affected areas. It can also be combined with other natural ingredients or used in commercial acne products. Aloe vera can be used alongside other acne treatments such as salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to enhance their effects and provide additional soothing benefits. Now let's talk about benefit number 4, anti-aging effects. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, which contribute to premature aging. Regular use of aloe vera gel can help diminish fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, revealing a more youthful complexion. Moving on to another benefit. Aloe vera is not only beneficial for topical use but also for improving digestive health. Aloe vera has a soothing effect on the digestive system, helping to alleviate irritation and inflammation in conditions like acid reflux, gastritis, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Aloe vera contains compounds that can support healthy bowel movements and relieve constipation. It helps soften stool and encourages its passage through the intestines. Aloe vera has been traditionally used to ease various digestive discomforts, including bloating, gas, and indigestion. It can provide relief by soothing the digestive tract and reducing inflammation. Aloe vera contains prebiotic properties that nourish the beneficial bacteria in the gut. This promotes a healthy balance of gut flora and supports overall gut health. A healthy digestive system is essential for optimal nutrient absorption. Aloe vera can help improve the absorption of nutrients, ensuring you get the most out of your diet. What's more, aloe vera possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. This may be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions such as ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease. Aloe vera contains compounds that support the healing of damaged digestive tissues. It can help soothe and repair the lining of the stomach and intestines, aiding in the recovery from digestive disorders. Aloe vera has been also known to help balance stomach acid levels. It can assist in reducing excess acid production, which may alleviate symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn. Aloe vera may aid in detoxifying the digestive system by promoting the elimination of toxins and waste products. This can help improve overall digestive function. Aloe vera has mild laxative properties which can help regulate bowel movements and relieve occasional constipation, but the benefits don't stop there. Aloe vera's rich nutrient profile, including vitamins, minerals, and polysaccharides, strengthens your immune system. By incorporating aloe vera into your routine, you can give your body an extra boost to ward off illnesses and stay healthy. Let's not forget about hair care benefit. Aloe vera is renowned for its numerous benefits in promoting hair health. It has soothing and moisturizing properties that can help alleviate scalp dryness, itchiness, and irritation. It can provide relief from conditions such as dandruff, scalp psoriasis, and seborrheic dermatitis. Aloe vera is rich in water content, which helps hydrate the hair and lock in moisture. It can prevent dryness and brittleness, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and manageable. Aloe vera contains essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that nourish the hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. It provides the necessary nutrients for stronger, thicker, and more lustrous hair. Did you know aloe vera has natural cleansing properties that help remove excess sebum, dirt, and product buildup from the scalp? This promotes a clean and healthy scalp environment, which is essential for optimal hair growth. Aloe vera contains enzymes that can stimulate hair growth by activating dormant hair follicles. Regular use of aloe vera can help promote the growth of new hair strands and reduce hair loss. The nutrients present in aloe vera, such as vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like zinc and magnesium, help strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and split ends. What's important? Aloe vera acts as a natural conditioner, providing deep hydration and making the hair soft and smooth. It also helps detangle the hair, making it easier to manage and style. Aloe vera helps balance the pH level of the scalp, creating an optimal environment for healthy hair growth. It can help control excess oil production, reducing scalp greasiness. If you suffer from an itchy scalp due to dryness or irritation, aloe vera can provide soothing relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties calm the scalp and reduce itching. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Another thing, aloe vera can be a game changer for your dental hygiene. Its antimicrobial properties help combat bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of gum disease and promoting fresh breath. Incorporating aloe vera into your oral care routine can give you a healthy, confident smile. Lastly, aloe vera's rich nutrient profile, including vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and enzymes, contributes to your overall health and vitality. It's like a natural wellness boost that can increase energy levels and enhance your sense of well-being. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of aloe vera for your skin, digestion, hair, and overall well-being. Aloe vera has proven itself as a versatile and powerful natural remedy. So why not incorporate this amazing plant into your daily routine? Whether you apply it topically, consume it in a drink, or use it in hair care products, aloe vera can work wonders for your health. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, Your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.